ADHD. A person with untreated attention deficit hyperactivity disorder has difficulty maintaining attention, managing energy levels, and controlling impulses. But before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. What is ADHD? People with ADHD have difficulty focusing on tasks and controlling their attention, which can make completing a project, for example, challenging. ADHD can limit a person's ability to study or work, and it can lead to stress, anxiety, and depression. Some people with ADHD also find it hard to sit still. They may be quick to act on impulse and become easily distracted. While children of any age can experience distraction and impulsiveness, these traits are more noticeable in those with ADHD. Features. ADHD may develop in one of three ways. A doctor may find that the disorder has a predominantly hyperactive and impulsive presentation, a predominantly inattentive presentation, a combined presentation. People with ADHD experience hyperactivity, impulsivity, and inattention in varying degrees. Inattention. There are some behaviors related to inattention that a person might notice in someone with ADHD. Daydreaming, becoming distracted and having difficulty focusing on tasks, making careless mistakes. Having difficulty following instructions, hyperactivity and impulsivity. Some or all of the following may be apparent in someone with ADHD. Running or climbing at inappropriate times, having difficulty taking turns in conversations and activities. Talking and making noises excessively, taking unnecessary risks. In adults. Adults and children tend to experience the same symptoms of ADHD, and these can create difficulties in relationships and at work. The effects of these features vary widely from person to person, and a person may find that their experience of ADHD changes over time. Not everyone with ADHD is noisy and disruptive. A child may be quiet in class, for example, while facing severe challenges that they do not express. In females. Females with ADHD may be more likely to have difficulty paying attention, while males may be more likely to experience hyperactivity and impulsivity. This may be one reason why more males than females receive diagnoses of ADHD. Hyperactivity can be easier to spot than inattention. Learn more about how ADHD may affect females here. Diagnosis. Most children with ADHD receive a diagnosis while they are in elementary school, but some may not do so until adolescence or adulthood. No single test can identify ADHD, and the symptoms can overlap with those of other conditions. This can make it difficult to diagnose. A doctor will conduct examinations to rule out other potential causes, such as hearing or vision problems. Other conditions that can lead to similar behaviors include trouble hearing or seeing, anxiety, depression, learning disabilities, sleep disorders. A doctor will often ask questions to learn more about the person's behavioral patterns. They may speak with the individual, members of their family, and any other caregivers, such as teachers. Many children experience hyperactivity and inattention. For a diagnosis of ADHD, the symptoms must meet specific criteria, including having a significant impact on daily life and schoolwork. Treatment. A range of approaches can help a person manage ADHD. A doctor should work with the individual to develop a treatment plan that suits them best. The plan may include behavioral therapy and counseling. A therapist or counselor can help a person develop or enhance a wide range of skills, such as building and maintaining relationships, establishing and following rules, planning and completing tasks. Therapists can also help parents develop constructive ways to respond to the behaviors that can result from ADHD. A person with ADHD may specifically benefit from stress management, classroom behavior management techniques, cognitive behavioral therapy. Tips for supporting children. Parents, teachers, and other caregivers can help children navigate the challenges of ADHD. Schools often have educational plans for children with ADHD, including specific teaching approaches, classroom accommodations, and school-based counseling. Tips for adults. Reminder notes and alarms, calendars, and planners can help adults with ADHD manage their schedules. It is also a good idea to keep keys and other important everyday items in specific spots. Doctors do not know what causes ADHD, but they have identified some risk factors, including a family history of ADHD, brain injury, exposure to stress, alcohol, or tobacco during pregnancy, exposure to environmental toxins during pregnancy or from a young age, a low birth weight, according to a 2018 meta-analysis. Anyone who believes that they have ADHD should seek medical advice. If you like the content of the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down your thoughts on this. Want more amazing videos? Subscribe to our channel and get more fantastic videos to watch. Thanks for watching to the end.